for Army veterans, if you reach the 20-year mark in service, you get a pension. And the formula is your rank and then your years of service, right? Multiplied by that particular pension number, 1.5 or 2.0, depending on which system you're in. So one of the ways that we help veterans is getting helping them understand how much they're going to make, right? The future value of money, time value of money, et cetera. And then looking at, if you're in the Army, even going to basic training is traumatic. So VA disability benefits, right? And so the American tax system, and I'm not even touching on our $36 trillion, elephant in the room of the federal deficit, but that's one area, veterans benefits, that is not going to get cut anytime soon. That is like Social Security, Medicare. Those are out of bounds for any type of politician. You say that you're going to cut veterans benefits, and that's the perfect way to not get reelected in the upcoming election. And so looking at each individual state, because each state has different tax rules regarding how those particular retirement benefits are taxed. And there was now the WEP, the windfall elimination provision, which actually would reduce your take-home pay, because if you had multiple streams of income for government, the government provisions, that has been repealed. So that has been, for example, I had a former client and worked as a teacher in Social Security benefits and the teacher retirement. And so her retirement was dramatically reduced because of that windfall elimination provision in those regulations. And so we definitely try to maximize those benefits for the Army veterans. And we're open, as we're a new company, to growing. We'll take Air Force and Navy veterans as well, because they fall under the DFAS, the Defense Financial Accounting Services System. And so really some of the big income streams, to put a bow on this, would be the military retirement, and they might have medically retired. So maybe they served 18 years, had an injury, and the Department of Defense, medically retired them. And then VA disability benefits, depending on combat situations. So there's a lot of things, Roy, that we look into to help these individuals to maximize their retirement planning, to get those pensions, or get those kind of. And then lastly, annuities. That's a whole nother topic, that they have a bad reputation, but if used correctly, they can add a consistent income stream for the rest of a person's life.